So kitchen.
So, we have, sorry guys, I'm a little bit slow. We have 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We have 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Hi, Aunt Tamala.
Hi, Tamala.
We have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It really provides you to use canola oil, but we don't have it.
We can use any kind of oil, like regular.
We need 1/2 cup of sugar, and we need 1 cup of flour. So that's all for the.
Can they hear you?
Can you guys hear me? This is all for the batter, and then for the icing, you need.
Can you guys hear us?
3/4 cup of tablespoon. Brooke,
Yeah.
can you please be
I can
quiet?
hear you.
We need 3/4 tablespoon, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Oh. 1/2 cup of chocolate milk. It provides you to use hot water. So 1 cup to 1/2 cup of hot water.
Yes, but not too hot.
You can do it. However, yeah, not too hot, but
just not cold, hot.
and you also need 1/4 teaspoon.
Cocoa
Yes,
powder.
loud, thanks.
Cocoa.
Tea, and we also have 1/4
You didn't put your...
tablespoon of cocoa. Come on, Brooke. Do you not want to do it? Okay, you don't have to do it. So, now we're going to add everything in here. So the first thing, I'm going to have Brookie add about 3 things in, and when you tell them, you have to tell them what you're adding in, okay? Alright, so here, you could add in the olive oil too. Oh wait, actually these 2 are going to be waiting. Just add in this. Alright, so I'm going to go first, and the first thing that I'm adding is the cocoa. Woo! Okay, you go ahead.
And the first thing that I'm going to add is my salt.
So go ahead and add that. Alright, now the next thing that I'm adding is my sugar.
Okay. A lot in there.
Next thing I'm adding is my sugar.
Next thing that I'm adding is my flour.
Go ahead. Oh wait, no, that's baking powder.
Baking powder.
Guys, she doesn't know. She's 6.
Yeah, because flour and baking powder.
And baking powder look alike.
Yeah, because they're both
Go ahead and
white.
bake them.
They're both white and they're powdery.
Okay, so now me and her are going to mix it. So you ready to mix? Okay, let's mix.
Hold on. Wait for me.
She got to get her little...
Whipper.
Now let's mix!
Why do we have to mix it?
So it could, you know, get all that
It's
good
like batter.
Get all the lumps out.
Yeah, we gotta get all these lumps.
Ow. Guys, she keeps pushing me. Copy, you're pushing me. That's your whipper. Get out.
Stop, bro.
Get out of here. Ow. Ow.
Alright, that's enough. Okay, and now we have to add our... So first we have to add our milk.
Oil. Milk.
It says add milk first.
And then we're going to add... Look at that big bubble.
Now you gotta add your oil.
It's bubbling.
And here, you could add the vanilla. Be careful, Brooke.
And our vanilla. Extra.
And guys, this is not... You don't have to bake... You don't have to use
Nice.
eggs. Okay, go ahead. Let's mix.
Get up. There's a lot over here.
Now we're gonna mix.
It's like a
Be
big-
careful, Brooke.
Sorry. What? It's just that you're bumping into me. It seems like it smells like chocolate milk. I love chocolate
Brooke.
milk.
I know it does.
Doesn't
So
it?
now we're just mixing.
Or it's like warm. Hot, it smells like hot chocolate. We had hot chocolate over at Gma's because it was cold. We had it with our biscuits. Gma makes the best biscuits. It's so hard. My arm is hurting. My mixture over here. It's really milky because of the
Oh, wait,
milk.
no. I don't think you have... Yeah, you don't have to... In a small bowl mix. Okay. So now... Put that there.
Okay. now that we got that, we're gonna put our little spatulas
What are
down.
you doing?
We gotta now. After that, we have to number 2 in a small bowl mix brown sugar and 1/4 cup of canola.
Canola.
So
Just do the oil.
no, this is the second. No, let me do. Let me do.
Can you go out,
Let me
out,
do.
out, 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 out? Cubby, can I sit on the stool?
All right, now. Next thing we have to do, guys, is we have to add
Get you some.
our brown sugar. So I'm gonna add brown sugar.
Yes, and yes, our brown sugar.
Now we have to add our sugar. I mean,
regular.
we already added her. Now we have to add our 1/4 cup of canola. Go ahead and add that.
Add our canola.
What is that?
1/4 teaspoon. Go ahead.
Canola.
All right, now we
Make sure we
have
get all of it
to
because-
add our water.
It's like, and we're gonna add our water and see how that turned in because of the canola.
Okay, now we need to mix it.
I knew we had to mix
When's the
it.
flour
Doesn't
coming
that look like tea, Cuppy?
What? When does that come in?
Hold on.
Cuppy, that looks like tea.
Yes, Brooke.
Sorry, I talk too much. Sorry, I talk too much. When it comes to baking.
This needs to be nice and smooth.
Stop.
Gonna nice and mix it. It has a lot of bubbles in it.
Okay, guys, while she's gonna do that, go ahead and stir that.
Okay.
I was gonna say, that should be in there somewhere.
Sorry, guys, I accidentally. That's why I was like, this batter is not thick, but this is gonna make it thick.
Oh yeah, our flour.
So now, after we have to put it in our slow cooker.
Okay. Now can I help you?
Just keep stirring that until it's nice and sweet.
It's nice and swimmy. It's like a pool.
There's still a little bit more chunks in there. Okay, now it's thick.
Ooh, that looks really thick.
Yeah.
Right now, mine looks like tea. Show them yours. It looks like mud, kind of. Doesn't it look like mud like you would put on the street to smooth it?
Mm-hmm.
Watch what you're doing, Brookie.
And
What
I like.
is that going to be? The liquid.
We have to pour it on. That's what it says. Pour. It says in 1 small bowl, mix brown sugar and 1/4 cocoa. Stir in hot water.
Cocoa?
Cocoa.
I didn't see you put that in there.
Yeah, it was in there.
I thought that was canola oil.
No, cocoa.
Oh, cocoa.
It says cocoa.
Okay.
So I think it's supposed to be liquidy. Guys, just so you know, I don't have my nanas, so I have good feelings that this is gonna turn out right. Now, what we have to do is
Mine is still chunky. You can see this little chunk on here.
Okay, we'll go ahead and stir.
Stir some more.
Alright, now I'm going to. Now what it says is we have to put our batter in here.
Are they seeing you?
Yeah. So we're going to put our batter in here. You want to make sure you get all of it, guys.
All of it.
Well,
She's
there's
getting-
leftovers.
Now you can't hear you. Huh.
So,
I don't know
Ow,
what
ow.
just happened there, but
oh, I guess they can hear us now because they're not really saying anything.
I can't hear you. Not on here.
They're listening to us on there. Whoa. But yes, guys, I'm gonna start.
Yes, the sound
stirring.
just went away.
Can you guys hear us?
Now hand me this.
Okay. Hopefully it
Here,
is
take
still-
this.
Go watch that. For real?
Yes, that's what it says. This is going to turn into cake, I swear. Alright.
No, that's what they said.
Babe, they're not. I can't.
Nana's watching us on her big computer.
Now we're gonna turn that
She
on
has
high.
Facebook on her computer.
No, let's turn that on high. Yes.
And we have these cute little plastic cups. You're gonna need a ton
you
of
probably
these.
turned it in and messed it up. I don't know because I can't hear you.
And yes.
Can you guys hear us? Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you guys for
How long does it take for that in there?
Oh, and it usually takes 2 hours, or if it's nice and pokey through a toothpick, it should be done. Thank you everybody for watching. Make sure you guys share, like, and bye guys.
Bye.
I don't know why.
Bye.